Hi there, welcome back to the cab of Artemis tow vehicle. So things have changed yet again. We finally got a quote from the boatyard in Bellingham, and quite frankly, it was quite steep. I had gotten a quote from Nick Hake, but I had to ship to Florida. He was in the $2,100 range. I got a quote from a composites place up in Port Townsend. They were in the $35,000 to $5,000 range, and these guys were right around $10,000. So, not much fun. We have picked up the boat. We have the keel in the back, and we are heading off to first a location to put the boat into storage, and then right after that we are going to go to Port Townsend, drop the keel off, where we'll get on these guys' schedule. So I'm pretty impressed with these guys. I spoke to them over the phone. They really sounded like they knew what they're talking about. So we will give you an update on what we find out as we go along. Good times. We have Artemis tucked away in her new home for the next month, maybe. And then now the next step is to get this big giant keel over to Port Townsend. It was kind of interesting when they loaded this thing onto the truck. Man, the whole thing just sunk. So it's pretty heavy. They actually put some blocks back here to prevent the whole thing from sliding around. So yeah, we'll see how that goes when we hit Port Townsend. But yeah, at least Artemis is now secure for the next month. I don't think we're going to see her in the water for about 6 weeks. So not good, but could be worse.